If you're an online business owner who's struggling with cash flow, maybe you've got bills piling up, you've got payrolls due tomorrow, and zero ad budget left, then this video might be the most important video for you to watch, because I'm going to show you the 2 strategies that you can deploy today, not next week, not in a few days, today. And the best part is this: you don't need to spend a single cent in bringing in new traffic. I'm going to show you how to use what you already have in your business, which is your existing audience, even if it's small, to generate quick cash for your business. If you don't know who I am, my name is Daniel Akpobare. I'm a growth marketer with over 9 years of experience. And what I do here is share real-world marketing strategies that are working for our client right now. That's all we do around here. My hope is that you take this knowledge and apply them to your business. And the only thing I ask in return is that you let me know how it panned out for you. The comment section is where you do it. All right, let's jump right into it. You see, a few months back, I got a call from an old friend. His voice was shaking, like you could literally hear the panic on the phone. He runs a coaching business helping people overcome alcohol addiction. He himself has been there, turned his life around, built a business around it, and was helping others do the same. So naturally, I thought he had relapsed. Yes, he was drowning, but not in alcohol. He was drowning in bills, overdue payments, and fear. And listen, I've been there before. Maybe not to the same level, but I know what it feels like when the wall starts closing in on you. So in that moment, that's not exactly the right time to start fixing core issues like retention or business culture, or whatever got you in the problem in the first place. I mean, fixing those are important, but in that moment, what you really need is cash flow and a big stack of it to get you through the immediate issues. So looking at his business, one of the few things we saw is that he had a decent customer base, and that's people who had already bought from him. But unfortunately, he had no recurring revenue. And this is a big mistake because it costs significantly less to retain an existing customer than it does to acquire a new one. But remember, now's not the time to fix those bigger issues. So here's what we did instead. We deployed a strategy that I like to call the Reason Why campaign. The idea is crazy simple really, and most importantly, it's free. And all you need is an existing customer and a heartfelt reason why you're reaching out in the first place. So it goes like this. You create an offer, but instead of saying, hey, I'm selling this, you give people a reason why you're making that offer. It's real, it's emotional, it connects. For my friend, his email started like this. I came across an old photo from the night I almost fell off a train. Drunk, reckless, and lost. I shouldn't have survived that night, but I did. And then the email went on to talk about how the exact moment was a wake-up call. It turned his life around, built a business around it. Now he has a thriving business and a beautiful family, and yada, yada, yada. The point I'm trying to make here is this. What you're going to do with that story is you're going to tie it to an existing offer. So you're going to say something like this. Out of gratitude, I want to help 3 people over the next 90 days who are stuck like I was, ready to make a 360% change. It was that simple. No hype, no manipulation, just basic truth. I sent this to around 600 people. Within 24 hours, 6 replied and 2 signed up immediately at a higher price than his usual offer. That single email bought him breathing room for that month. And that's the power of this campaign. You can do the exact same thing in your business. And it doesn't matter what niche you're in. Maybe, for example, you just hit a milestone. Maybe your business just turned 5. Maybe your business survived a tough year. Or maybe even you just survived a life-threatening situation. Whatever your story is, just use it. You'll be surprised by the outcome. The key is this: tie it back to the offer. Now, for those watching this and thinking, Daniel, this is good, but my customer list is too small and I doubt if it will make any dent. In that particular case, we can make a slight tweak to this strategy. As long as you have a general list, instead of selling upfront, you lead with something completely free, something valuable that makes sense to people, something that makes people think, damn, I really need this. For example, if you're a fitness coach, you could say something like this. For the next 7 days, I would help you lose your first 5 pounds, completely free. Then once they are in, you offer them a complimentary upsell. So that could be a nutritional plan, a supplement bundle, or maybe a VIP one-on-one session. If you're a chiropractor, the basic idea you could do is, after setting them, say, hey, if you want to maintain this progress or even make it better, I think you should really use this pillow to sleep at night. So you want to offer them products that complement the first one they just got for free. And by doing that, you are going to get an outsized amount for a really good margin. So there you go. 2 moves you can deploy today that will bring in cash without traffic or ad spend. They're not long-term solutions because you really have to deal with that. But these are lifelines, and sometimes that's exactly what your business needs. So once you've stabilized your cash flow, that's when you begin to shift focus to the bigger problem, which could be the offer, your retention, or maybe your growth system. As for my friend, we did exactly that. We built a continuity offer for him, something that will bring a predictable revenue every month. And that's how he was able to get out of that fix, and something you yourself can apply in your business right this minute. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, just smash that like button, subscribe to my channel, and turn on the notification bell. Thanks for watching. I'll see you on the next one.